السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. رب زدني علما. اللهم فقهنا في الدين. آمين يا رب العالمين. Lesson number 3. Knowledge of the case Aeraab. علم الإعراب or grammatical knowledge. علم النحو. The changing haraka or vowel mark on the last letter of any word is called case or i'rab in the Arabic grammar rules. And those words whose case changes all the time is called mu'arab. And the cause of this change is called agent or factor amil. The last letter of the mu'arab is called mahal i'rab or the location of the case. Let's understand this with an example. Ja'a Zaydun. Translation: Zaid came. In this example, Ja'a is the amil, meaning the agent or factor. Because of this, Zaidun is marfu' and is the doer, fa'il, meaning the one doing the action. Here, Zaidun is in the nominative case, halate rafa'i, as the last letter of Zaidun has a dhamma case vowel on it. Aeraab dhamma. The second example is Ra'aytu Zaidan. Translation: I saw Zaid. Here, Ra'aytu, I saw, is the agent amil, because of which Zaidan is mansoob and also object maf'ul. Here, Zaidan has the vowel mark fatha and is in the accusative case, halate nasabi. Let's look at the third example, Marartu bi Zaidin. Translation: I passed by Zaid. Here, B is the agent amil, because of which Zaidin has a kasra on it and it is majroor. Here, Zaidin is in the genitive case, halate jarri. In all these three examples, Zaid is mu'arrab and the last letter of Zaid, dal, is the location of case or mahal i'rab, and it has the two vowel marks dhamma, fatha and kasra on it. We have seen that in the first example, the noun Zaid is marfu', nominative case. In the second example, it is mansoob, accusative case. And in the third example, it is majroor, genitive case. The noun being in nominative case marfu', accusative case mansoob, or genitive case majroor is due to some reasons and different origins. That knowledge in which we know about the conditions in which any word is in the marfu', mansoob or majroor state is called the knowledge of the case, ilmul i'rab, or grammatical knowledge, ilmun nahw. In a statement, while adding the case vowel to any word, we have to keep three things in mind. Number 1, what is the situation and position of the word in the sentence? That is it a fa'il, doer, maf'ul, object, mubtada, subject, or khabar, predicate? We will learn about the subject and predicate later. Number 2, due to this situation and position, what is the case condition of the word? That is it marfu', nominative, mansoob, accusative, or majroor, genitive case? Number 3, if the word is marfu', nominative, then what is the sign of its nominative condition? Because the sign of rafa in singular is dhamma, in dual it is alif, and in masculine sound plural the sign is vav. In the same way, if the word is accusative, mansoob, then what is the sign of its accusative condition? And if it is genitive, then what is the sign of it? The benefit of knowing the case condition is that we can avoid all types of mistakes while speaking and writing Arabic language. For example, we have 4 words: Zaid, dar, dakhala, fi. Zaid, house, entered, in. Now, joining these 4 words to make a sentence and to use it in a proper way is what we learn in grammatical knowledge, ilmun nahw. Because the grammatical knowledge of Arabic is the only knowledge that helps us to know how to join the noun, verb, and letter to make sentences in the proper order and lets us know the condition of the last letter of the word. From the 4 given words above, we can make this sentence. دخل زيد في الدار. Translation: Zaid entered in the house. In Arabic language, the change in the vowel mark or case Aeraab, halat Aeraab, on the last letter of the vowel marks the case condition, halat Aeraab of that noun. Today, we have known that according to the case condition, the noun is in 3 conditions, that is, rafa nominative, nasab accusative, and jar genitive. If the case condition changes, then the meaning of the noun doesn't change, but it helps to determine whether the noun is a fa'il, doer, maf'ul, object, or the owner of something. That means when any noun is used in a sentence, either it is used as a doer, that is, it is in the doer condition, halat fa'ili, or that noun is used as an object, that is, it is in the object condition, halat maf'uli. Or it will be used in connection with another noun, that is, it is in the enhanced condition, halat idafi. The main thing is to understand the condition. Let's first understand it in Urdu and then in Arabic. For example, we have the sentence, Hamid ne Mahmood ko dekha. Hamid saw Mahmood. We have 2 nouns in this sentence, Hamid and Mahmood. Hamid is doer, fa'il, and Mahmood is object, maf'ul. In this sentence, the doer fa'il is mentioned before. If we mention the maf'ul first, then the object will be like this. Mahmood ko Hamid ne dekha. Mahmood was seen by Hamid. In Urdu, the doer fa'il is known by the word ne, and maf'ul object is known by ko. Let's look at another sentence, Hamid's book, the book of Hamid. Hamid ki kitab. There are 2 nouns in this sentence also, Hamid and book. Here, there is a connection of one noun with the other noun. This connection or possession is known as enhanced condition or halat idafi. The identity of enhanced condition is ki or ko in Urdu language. Come, let's learn its identity in Arabic now. Whether the word is in halat fa'ili, doer condition, or halat maf'uli, object condition, or halat idafi, enhanced condition. When the last letter of any word has 2 dhamma on it, then it is the first identity that this word is in the doer condition, halat fa'ili. It is also called as halat rafa'i, nominative condition. For example, kharaja zaydum min ad-dar. Zaid came out of or from the house. In this sentence, Zaid is doer because its last 2 letters has 2 dhamma on it. When the last letter of any word has 2 fatha on it, then it is the second identity that the word in that sentence is an object condition, halat maf'uli, which is also called halat nasabi, accusative condition. For example, ra'aytu Zaidan. I saw Zaid. In this sentence, Zaid is object because its last letter has 2 fatha on it. Whenever we have 2 fatha on the last letter of a word, then an alif is added at its end according to a rule. When the last letter of any word has 2 kasra on it, then it is the third identity that the word in that sentence is in enhanced condition, halat idafi, which is also called halat jarri, genitive condition. For example, marartu bi Zaidin. I passed by Zaid. In this sentence, Zaid is in the enhanced condition, halat idafi. If the dash denotes the last letter of the word, then the chart is in this way. Double dhamma, doer condition rafa, halat rafa'i, nominative case, Zaidun. Double fatha with alif, object condition, nasab, halat nasab, accusative case, Zaidan. Double zair, enhanced condition, jar, halat jarri, genitive case, Zaidin. Inshallah, we will learn about it further in the next class. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.